Notes 7.5 Domain restrictions. When dividing by a fraction, what number can you not divide by? Can't divide by 0. Okay, so let's practice. List the domain restrictions for the functions below. Domain means x, so since this is a fraction for a, I'm going to take whatever's on the bottom, and I can't divide by 0. So the factor on the bottom is x minus 3. I'm going to put it not equal to 0. So solve this, so add 3 on both sides. X cannot equal 3. So my domain restrictions means all the values of x except 3, because if I put 3 in here, you're dividing by 0, because 3 minus 3 is 0. B, so I take the factors on bottom, since it's a fraction, x plus 3 not equal to 0, and x minus 1 not equal to 0. Subtract 3 on both sides, so x cannot equal negative 3 and 1. C, the try. So if you try this, you should get x is not equal to negative 4. That's your domain restriction. So example, always true, never true, or sometimes true. So A, we're going to evaluate this. First, we have to write our restriction. Since this is a fraction, we can't divide by 0. So I'm going to take whatever's on the bottom, not equal to 0. So x is not equal to 3. Then I'm going to evaluate the statement. So I'm going to take the left, I'm going to factor it out. Okay, if these cross out, I get x plus 3 is equal to x plus 3. Is this always true or never true or sometimes true? This is sometimes true because I have a restriction here. X cannot be 3. Another way to say this is always true except when x equals 3. B, I'm going to evaluate the statement right here. I'm going to take out, there's no variable on the bottom, so there's no restrictions. I'm going to take out a 3. So this is always true because there's no restrictions. C, I'm going to factor it out. Well, there's a restriction, x is not equal to 3. I'm going to factor out x minus 3, x plus 3, all over x minus 3. I'm going to cross these out. And this is never true.